Welcome in world of technology. Vivo Apex concept phone hands-on. Chinese technology company Vivo has unveiled a new Apex FullView concept smartphone featuring the world's highest 98% screen-to-body ratio and Vivo's half-screen in-display fingerprint scanning technology at the ongoing Mobile World Congress, MWC, 2018, in Barcelona, Spain. The Apex features 1.8 mm thin bezels at the top and side and a 4.3 mm bottom bezel. The company has also introduced screen sound casting technology with Apex, transforming the entire full-view display into a speaker. The screen sound casting technology sends vibrations through the display without the need for a traditional loudspeaker. Compared to other audio solutions for bezel-less smartphones, it conserves power, reduces sound leakage, and optimizes low to high pith sound for a better and more balanced audio experience. Apex sports 8-megapixel elevating front camera. The concept smartphone also deploys a new system-in-package (SIP) technology to integrate the DAC and the 3 operational amplifiers together, reducing the need for circuit board space by nearly 60% compared to previous XPLA-Y6. Apex is an iteration of our constant pursuit of setting new industry standards and to deliver the ultimate mobile experience. From breakthroughs in audio, photography to in-display fingerprint scanning technology, Vivo has remained committed to realizing our vision for future smartphones. What we showcase in this concept phone is only a fraction of our innovation pipeline. We will continue to explore all possibilities to bring the best possible experiences to our consumers, said Alex Feng, Senior Vice President of Vivo. World's first half-screen in-display fingerprint scanning technology. Following the success of in-display fingerprint scanning technology at CES 2018, Vivo has installed the world's first half-screen in-display fingerprint scanning technology in the Apex. Transforming the entire bottom half of the OLED screen, users can touch anywhere on the bottom half of the screen to perform fingerprint recognition, enabling a more flexible and intuitive experience while meeting industry standards for security. Half-screen in-display fingerprint scanning technology also enables new usage scenarios, such as the new dual fingerprint scanning feature in Apex for even greater strength and security. Optimal hi-fi quality, a feast to the ears. Apex deploys a new system-in-package (SIP) technology to integrate the DAC and the 3 operational amplifiers together, reducing the need for circuit board space by nearly 60% compared to previous XPLA-Y6. As this frees up more space in the smartphone's interior, this technology can allow for increased battery size as well as cooling, thus opening potential for even more design improvements in future smartphones. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you next time on the other our videos.